morning. It's a beautiful day in Florida. My dog Harley and I flew from California to Atlanta to purchase an RV. And I have to show it to you right now. I purchased this 2004 Gulfstream 32-foot Class A Independence RV. So I'm very happy with this purchase, and it was affordable. The reason it was affordable is because of the inside. Let me show you. Don't get shocked. Here we go. You'll see there's not a lot here except for my little boo Harley. Hi, buddy. The reason this rig was for sale was a couple of doctors from Atlanta purchased it and basically stripped it clean so they could put chairs and help the Atlanta Falcon football team players. So this is the way it looks right now. It's really ugly. We hate ugly, but it's got good bones, and I'm an expert at redoing. So that's what I'm going to do. This is where the sink is, and that's where the shower was. So we're going to have to replace that. We got a nice big slide out, which I'm happy about. One thing they did leave was the refrigerator, which is awesome, because those things run like $2,500. So I'm happy about that. This is where the dinette was, and where the couch was. And then this is where the kitchen was. So in other words, my buddy John and I have our work cut out for us. He's going to help me redo this thing and trick it out to its maximum beauty. So I had to give you the before. I can't wait to show you the after. All right, here we go. Here's the entry. There was nothing there before. Up we go. This is a sofa that I put together because it's from IKEA. So guess what? That was hard. If you've ever done cartoons, you know how difficult that is. But I've got it pretty well finished. This is the kitchen as it stands now. I have to put that fake front drawer in, but I'll get that done. Got the cabinets done. The sink's in. Thanks to my good friends Mark and Chris Bow. They had their fabulous plumber do the plumbing for my RV, and I really appreciate him. Donnie, thank you, Donnie. So I've got the microwave, it works. My cabinets work. Coffee maker, thank goodness. My stove. I've got to put a little insert down there, but that's okay. Little minor things. And here, oh, also, one of my favorite men in the world, John Lansadell, artist, did my countertop, and he did my table. I love this thing. It's so cool looking. Watch. Little pop of color. There it is. It's his original painting with resin top, so I can have a nice hardy surface. And I got my little Roman shades done. I redid the wood on top there. And there's my 50-inch television, which I enjoy. Yay, yay. My little chair that Harley used to have. My baby. And there's my little doggy, Harley. He's still with me, even though not thoroughly with me. Oh dear, hate losing my little doggy. This is the shower back. I got a print made of one of my Dana Point whale watching images, a humpback whale made. These little chairs come out, says footrest and dining chairs, so that works out great. Now we go to the back. Okay, to continue, This is the bed area for me. And I got my little TV over here. This I'm very excited about. This is my bathroom. Did the sink, I did the top. Of course, everything's painted white. And my shower, I built that with my friend John Lansadell, helped me put it in. And it's all good. Here's the bathroom, all nicely painted and ready to rock and roll. My fun stuff in here. Ah dear, gotta love it. This is my favorite piece of art that my daughter did, I think when she was in college. It's just fabulous. She's such a good illustrator. And that's the overall picture, which I think is so cool looking compared to what it looked like when I first bought it. It's amazing the difference with the slide out. That's that, you see the piece of wood going across there. There's another additional 12 by 3 feet. And of course it has to come in when I'm driving because you can't move with it out that far. But that's my place and I'm happy I've got it. So this is my new home. I'm very excited the way it came out. I think it looks really good. It's very functional. And I'm extremely happy to have my new home on wheels. Can't wait to see you guys wherever I am.